In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be making up to $200 to $300 for yourself daily doing this strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. It is called crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is simply buying a particular crypto from an exchange where the crypto is low in price and selling it in another exchange where that particular crypto is high in price and taking your profit. It's that very simple. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to do that in this video. All you're going to be needing is a Kucoin exchange and also a Binance or a Bybit account. Now you want to watch this video from this very beginning to the very end so you don't miss any important information. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel I make videos on how to make money online with crypto arbitrages, with dollar arbitrage, and so on and so forth. So if you like this kind of videos and you want to start making money online for yourself, you need to click on that like button to like this video and also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before. Now you want to also go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just type in the location you are watching this video from. Now let's get into the video. Now you want to log in into your Kucoin account. If you have not verified your Kucoin account, you need to do that before using it to do this arbitrage, right? So it's very simple. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be using Nigerian Naira for this demonstration. If you are in other countries that is not Nigeria, you need to try it out with your country currency to see if it's going to work out for you before proceeding. Just try it out with a little amount. If it works out for you and you see profit from there, then you can proceed with bigger amounts, right? But for those in Nigeria, follow along. Or if you can get a Nigerian Naira or get a Nigerian friend to do this arbitrage with, you can follow along. So arbitrage needs huge amount of money for you to be profitable, right? So now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to be using 500,000 Naira. So you just need to log in into your Kucoin and click on buy crypto. Once you click on buy crypto, you're going to be brought into an interface that looks like this. Just type in the amount you want to use and click on buy USDT. Now we're going to be using the USDT for this demonstration. Now I click on buy USDT. Now you're going to see many options for yourself. If you use this option, you're going to be seeing the amount you're going to be making right there, amount you're going to be getting back. If you use this option, you're going to see the amount, and these options are card options, right? That is your card. If you use this option, this is the amount you're going to be getting. So the best option you can use is this one. Just scroll down here where it says more payment method and click on this one, right? So as you can see right here, you're going to be getting 552 USDT with your 500,000 Naira. Now let's proceed. So for you to proceed, you click on this preview order and you will see a bank account where you can be making payment to a simplest bank account that you'll be making payment to get your crypto, right? As you can see, you'll be getting 552. Before we proceed, let's make a quick calculation, right? So we want to make a quick calculation right here. You can use your Binance, you can use your Bybit, whichever one you want to use. Let's click on P2P right here, and we want to click on sell. So we want to sell USDT. Let's say we are using this guy, this first guy right here. Let's click on sell, and you know what we have is 552. Let's type in right there, 552, right? So 552. Let's say they're going to take $2 for fees when you're sending it from Kucoin to Binance, something like that. Let's just say 550. So at the end of the day, this is the amount we're going to be having right here. We're going to be making 673,000 Naira with our 500,000 Naira, right? I'll make a quick calculation right here. At the end of the day, we're going to be making 673,000 Naira. We're going to minus it with our initial capital, which is 500,000 Naira. Then we're going to be making 173,000 Naira with our 500,000 Naira initial capital. This is very massive, guys. What are you waiting for? Start doing this now before the rate drops. Because if the rate drops, you cannot make up to this profit, but you're still going to be making something. Now, before you do this arbitrage, I urge you to carry it out with a smaller amount of money, test it out and see how it works before going ahead with a huge amount of money, right? This is what I tell all my subscribers. Now this is the end of this video, guys. I don't want this video to be long. Go ahead and try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comment section of this video. Now you need to subscribe to this channel and click on that like button to like this video, because you're going to be learning a lot from this channel on how to make money online with crypto and other things, anything that has to do with arbitrage. I know you enjoyed this video, so like this video, guys. With all that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video update. Peace out, guys.